Electrostatic discharge, or ESD, occurs when a static electrical charge builds up and discharges across a bearing, traveling through the rolling elements and raceways. This discharge creates microscopic electrical arcs at contact points. These arcs generate intense localized heat that briefly melts the metal surface. As the metal rapidly cools, it forms characteristic damage features, craters, which are deep impact holes, frosting, a visible accumulation of fine metallic debris on the bearing surface, fluting, shallow washboard-like grooves along the raceways, and micro-pitting, small rounded depressions on both the rolling elements and raceways. ESD damage alters surface metallurgy, disrupts lubricant films, accelerates oxidation, and produces hard debris that circulates within the bearing. Over time, repeated discharge events link isolated microcraters into continuous fluting and pitting patterns, increasing vibration and noise and significantly reducing bearing life. This failure mechanism can escalate rapidly during operation, especially in dry or high-static environments. Static charge commonly accumulates due to poor grounding or bonding caused by electrically isolated housings, non-conductive coatings, plastic piping, floating equipment bases, weak earth connections, or insufficient conductive discharge paths.